Einstein said, "Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it." Hello investors, this is Obenay and I'm crazy about dividend investing. If you are not already doing it, or you are thinking is it good or is it worthy or so, which I did, then I decided to buy shares from few companies. I know it is really difficult, but once you get there to start receiving dividends, or after a while cover some of your expenses, you'll start liking it, and I'm sure you're loving it. Ops, wait, this is not financial advice. Sorry, what did you said? This is not financial advice. Okay, let's get back to where we were. Also, I forgot to mention it, this is Microsoft Excel 365. As I said on the first part, more to explain will be in second final part. In the first part, one had to do it little bit slowly while I'm creating and using basic formulas to find out the percentages or annual dividends, or how to pull annual dividend from internet, etc. This part will be a bit faster because I did the important things on first part, except to pull ex-dividend and payment date from internet. This video I will add more companies and will move to dashboard part, which also will be speed added because I think everyone has own way to build the dashboard, and of course there is a many way to build dividend portfolio tracker, and this is my simple way, and for me is the way better than I was using before, which I'm very happy. Before I had to check all the time if is any dividend updated. I had to update ex-dividend and payment dates. This one almost you have nothing to do, just once you pull the data from internet then you just enjoy it. Annual dividends, ex-dividends, and payment dates are updating automatically, or if you need it you are refreshing them one by one, or can refresh them all from the section data and refresh all. Realized that I did not use the formula to find out the dividend yield on purchased cost on column L, and I'm going to display the formula where you can use it. Once you've done that, then you have only columns B to add company, C to add sector, E to add number of shares you've bought, and F cost of purchase. And of course live data such as annual dividend per share and dates. This all you have to do. So I think this is it. I hope you guys will like it, and if so, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Dream it, achieve it.